Staying away from friends who are a bad influence can be challenging. But it's important to recognize friends who pressure, disrespect, or manipulate you, as they are not treating you like a true friend should. Remember your values and needs, and understand that sometimes ending bad friendships is necessary. Identify friends who exhibit behaviors such as bossing you around, using drugs, being disrespectful or mean, or belittling your ideas or opinions, and take note of the negative effects these friends have on you. If you're struggling to cut ties with a bad influence, seek assistance from a trusted friend, your parents, or a school counselor for support and guidance. It may be necessary for your parents to communicate with their parents or for you to spend less time with them or engage in safer activities. Stand up for yourself by addressing the issues with your friend, focusing on their behavior rather than criticizing them. Communicate your concerns and feelings honestly, and set clear boundaries with your friend that they must respect. If the friendship continues to drain you or negatively impact you, it may be necessary to end the relationship. Convey your decision to your friend, emphasizing that it's about their actions rather than their worth as a person. After ending the friendship, make a conscious effort to stay away from them by unfollowing them on social media, avoiding conversations about them, and avoiding close proximity to them in various settings. Overcoming the hurt caused by the bad friendship is important, and it can be helpful to process your feelings with another friend, a parent, loved one, or counselor.